Well, good Friday afternoon to you. It's Dan. I want to welcome you to my home in the sticks. Hope everybody's having a show enough good Friday, and I hope y'all are looking forward to the holiday weekend. But I'm here to tell you, it is showing enough warm here in East Central Mississippi. We pushed 100 degrees today, so it's hot. But what I want to make mention of, if you are new to the channel, I sure enough want to welcome you. And if you're returning just to see what old Dan's got going on over here in the sticks, thank y'all for coming back. But what I wanted to share with you and y'all today is I got one of the sisters starting to pop up in raised beds, the 16-foot raised beds. I want to show you that. And I also have some updates as far as the channel. So give me a second and we finna do both. Right, look at there. We got one of the sisters that's done popped the ground. Have a few of them in these lines. Excuse the camera in the picture, but it's the way that the sun's sitting. They popping up really sporadic. This row right here, this row, I see two sets that have popped up. What I'm gonna say is I kind of expected that. I have a really big problem with birds over here at my home in the sticks as far as corn. They love pulling the corn out of the ground, and they'll actually nibble on the corn that pops up. I was kind of hoping that guy right there would have eased it a little bit. I may have to, and this is old wise tale, you and y'all comment if you've heard the same thing, but I thought about getting one of those artificial owls, the plastic owl, and putting him on one of these posts maybe to keep the birds away. What I plan on doing is I may just have to replant some corn and maybe come up with maybe using some chicken wire, some hardware cloth or something like that to cover this section of the bed up, just to keep the birds off of the corn. Let's see if I could find one for you. There's a good example right there. You see how they nibble at it and they eat it. So there's one there, and I have a few more that are popping up. Here is one right here, right there. Hope you can see it, but there, the birds are eating it. So I'm gonna have to figure out something on that. I actually knew that could possibly happen, but worst case scenario, no big deal. I'll just replant some more corn in here so we can get the first sister going. While I'm here, I have a bunch of squash coming on. Squash everywhere, so that's a good thing. What I have noticed is I have found some eggs on these leaves. I've actually just run my hand on these leaves like that and got rid of the eggs, so I may have to hit these squash plants with some BT, with some BT, and try to nip that in the butt right now. Squash is doing good, got plenty of squash, but this is mainly what I wanted to show you and y'all today. Was I have some corn popping up, and that's the first sister in our three sisters growing method. So let me get out of the sun. I'm gonna head over yonder to the shade. Let me give you a couple of updates. All right, y'all, update wise, I apologize. I normally try to watch everybody's videos, even though it's just impossible. But I try to watch a lot of videos and leave comments on everybody's videos and just check in to see what y'all are doing at you and y'all's homestead or your home place. What has happened is the Philadelphia Police Department has a change of command, so doing a lot of work at work. So it's keeping me away from watching YouTube. I normally watch YouTube during my lunch break and watching videos and comment. And of course, when I get home, I try to watch videos and comment on videos as well. But I have a lot of that. I have a lot of stuff going on at work. So if you don't see me commenting on your videos, or you see me comment a couple of days later, that's why. Got a lot going on at work, but I assure you, I will try to get on YouTube and watch videos and just basically see what y'all got going on, because I like following what you and y'all got going on over there. It's gonna be a short video today, y'all. I actually need to get to cutting some grass. I'm trying to take advantage of the holiday weekend, but I will probably check in with y'all on Sunday. And what I want to say is I hope everybody has a safe Memorial Day weekend. And please, can't stress this enough, if you are going out and you're doing your thing and you consuming those alcoholic beverages, make sure you have a designated driver. Don't drink and drive. It's against the law. And there's going to be a lot of law enforcement out during the weekend. I know Philadelphia, we have our annual Click It or Ticket campaign that goes on during Memorial Weekend. So if somebody is drinking and you with them, take those keys and drive if you have to, if you haven't been drinking. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Homeless Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. With that being said, you know it's coming. Dan Referee sure enough always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. And I mean nobody. You get your shine on. It's important, I guarantee it. And Dan will see you and y'all in the next video.